Samsung has been working on a budget-friendly version of its clamshell foldable for a while now, and it looks like we're finally getting a glimpse of it. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is expected to launch later this year alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks to a fresh leak from reliable tipster on leaks, we now have renders showing off the Z Flip 7 FE, and there's one major design difference from its flagship sibling. At first glance, the Z Flip 7 FE doesn't look all that different from the current Z Flip 6. Same clamshell foldable design, same folder-style cover screen. But here's the catch. It won't get the fancy new cover screen that wraps around the camera module like the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to have. That upgrade will stay exclusive to the flagship, while the FE sticks to the older-style external display. According to the leak, the Z Flip 7 FE will have a 3.4-inch cover screen, smaller than the 3.9-inch one expected on the Z Flip 7. Inside, you'll still get a 6.7-inch foldable display, and the overall dimensions make it a bit thicker than the Z Flip 6. Now, here's where Samsung is cutting some corners to keep costs down. The Z Flip 7 FE won't be rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 from the Z Flip 6. Instead, it's expected to run on the Exynos 2400E, a toned-down version of the Exynos 2400 found in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. As for cameras, the renders suggest a dual-camera setup, likely featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, though that's not confirmed yet. Samsung is also sticking with its armor aluminum frame, so durability should be solid. Interestingly, the leaker refers to it as the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE rather than the previously rumored Galaxy Z Flip FE. Whether this means Samsung is making FE a permanent part of the Flip lineup remains to be seen. From the looks of it, the Z Flip 7 FE is basically a repurposed Z Flip 6, a mix of last year's parts thrown together to create a more affordable foldable option. That might actually be a smart move. If Samsung can bring the price down by a couple of $100 compared to the Z Flip 7, which will likely launch at $999 or more, it could open up foldables to a whole new audience. Samsung typically unveils its foldables at a July or August Unpacked event, so we'll likely get official details then. So, what do you think of the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition? Smart budget move or just a lazy refresh? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.